Are you sitting down? Why? There are so many legitimate reasons to be physically inactive, but I'm going to tell you today about how you can break the barriers to physical activity. From inactive nursing home residents living with dementia who are now acting out their desires to get back on their feet and to march to the mess hall, to newfound sounds of a steady cadence echoing off the hallway floors from a previously achy, stiff-legged nurse. I challenge you to be more active starting right now. I encourage you to experience a series of good vibrations. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything from our weekly episodes that could put you on the walking path to better health and a reduced risk of falling.